Before I come to AMI, I thought I was a good manager. And when I did all the things on the courses, and I found out that I'm not, which is embarrassing for me at the moment. But
what we've seen is that just training alone isn't enough, and even just online courses aren't enough. And so AMI really was a perfect partner for us because they bring both of those together.
We like to see a change in the way organizations are led. We've had some wonderfully vibrant learning labs, as we call them, the workshops, and they're working on action learning projects in which they are tackling real problems in their organizations to apply what we've learned together and to make a difference. And Acumen have contributed to the design and nature of the workshops and the projects by emphasizing the importance of adaptive leadership.
Really, from the first lab, I changed my way of leading and managing, interacting with people, more focusing on listening part, talking less.
Everyone just gets to interact. I love the role plays. There are so many tools attached to every course, really, to just assess how are you able to apply all those in real life.
I think that I've gained that confidence level whereby I can be able to influence the senior leaders in our organization to give them solutions that they can work.
We got ways to approach our employers, better ways where we listen more and let them talk so that at the end of the day we understand where they're coming from.
I was doing so much by myself, and then I realized, tell you what, I can delegate, and I need to just learn how to do it.
doing AMI definitely would be the one thing that I would recommend for my senior managers.
I need to enroll in something that can enrich me, make me a better person than I am right now. And AMI has been that platform for me. Learning that I need to focus more on what's effective, the long term, the training, the mentorship, all that stuff. So it's amazing.